As a screen printer, one of your most time-consuming tasks is cleaning and reclaiming your old screens. You know, a lot of your jobs are one color jobs, but then you have some jobs that are 3-color, 4-color, 5-color jobs. And as the orders come in, the more screens that you have to use. Sometimes you're sitting on multiple screens that are unusable because they've already got work on it and you have a job that you immediately have to do. So I'm gonna show you today how I go through my cleaning and reclaiming process, and it is a whole lot faster than what most people do when they reclaim their screens. Follow me. You can see behind me, I have about 20 screens that need to be cleaned and reclaimed. There's a process that I go through that is probably different from what most screen printers do, but I wanted to show you the mess that I have behind me before I show you my process. So number one, we're gonna go to the computer.
And the first thing that we do at the computer is we go into Google or whatever web browser you use. I'm a Chrome guy. But then we're gonna go to gmgraphicsupply.com and we're gonna look for the size screen that we use. I'm a 20 by 24 guy, so I'm gonna go ahead and look for that screen. And I believe I need a few 110 mesh, and I'm gonna add them to cart. Moments after I add them to cart, I go and I sit at my TV and I just wait for the doorbell to ring. In the meantime, I spend my time on YouTube watching informational videos from RoundNet and other screen printers. Right now I'm watching an informational video from RoundNet. Like that, my screens are clean. Till next time, screen printers.